Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today is Vlogmas Day 6. So if you guys haven't subscribed, if you're new here, please subscribe and also leave a comment below to say hi. I would really love to know who you are and to be able to reply and get to know the people that have subscribed on my channel a little bit more. I hope you guys are loving the 12 days of Chels, but next year I think I'm gonna change the name to the 12 days with Chels. That makes more sense to me. But yeah, I hope you guys are liking it. It's like 20 degrees outside, so it's freezing cold, and my car's frozen. So before I leave for the day, I wanted to quickly show you the wrapping that I chose for my presents this year because, I don't know, I'm like nosy and I think that's interesting when people show theirs. So I'm gonna take you over to the tree and show you what I chose this year. Okay, so I don't have all of my presents wrapped, but I chose this wrapping paper for a few of them. This one, the tree one, is from Michaels, and I just love the black and white with my tree. It goes really well. And then the ribbon is also from Michaels. And then I just write, so this one's for Brandon, and I just write his name on it, or whoever's name on it. And then I also have this one, which is also from Michaels, black and white again, and then I did just a burlap robe? Burlap ribbon, and I thought that was really cute. Also just kind of like goes with the theme of the tree. This one back here is the same, but it has this plaid ribbon, and also it's all from Michaels, but yeah, I don't think there's any of these that are not from Michaels. And then let's move over here. This is my usual go-to paper, is just the plain stuff. And again, with the tree ribbon. This was kind of hard to wrap, so I had to put it into a black bag. And where did I get this? Oh, I got this bag in a wine subscription box, so I don't know if I could find that for you guys, but it's just black and gray, so it goes well. Again, this pine cone and pine wrapping with the plaid bow. I like the combination of the green and white. I don't know, I think it's super cute. And then up here is the black and white paper with the trees, and then just a simple red ribbon. And I wasn't gonna bring any red into it this year, but I have a few more presents I'm gonna do like this. So there's a few pops of red down here at the base of the tree. So yeah, those are, whoa, the lighting. That is how I'm wrapping my gifts this year. I love the theme of just keeping it simple, but like last year I did all pastel, and it was like, I almost did like a tacky type of tree, and all of the wrapping was like really loud and bright. I just like changing it every year. It's one of those things where you can buy plastic ornaments at like even the dollar store for your tree, so it's not like a huge expense. And then wrapping paper goes on sale all the time, so I'm just always looking out for like what I want to do. And this year I just wanted to keep everything kind of simple, so that's what I chose. I am headed out for the day, and then I'm gonna be back, and we'll catch up when I get back from work. Okay, I'm standing outside. It's so cold out, but I have had my car defrosting for about 20 minutes, and look at it. It's still covered in snow. Okay, looks like I need to go back inside and find something to do for a minute. Hey guys, it is quite a bit later in the day, and I am now in my comfortable clothes. It's like 5:30. I got home like 15 minutes ago, and I'm just sitting here relaxing with Abby next to the Christmas tree. It's right here. And we're just hanging out for a minute and regrouping and just chilling out, taking a few minutes for myself before Brandon gets home. Yeah, I'm just gonna hang out and probably just sit here kind of in silence. I'm so weird. I find a lot of joy just being in silence. So I think I'm just gonna sit by the tree and pet Abby and just sit here just for a second and unwind, and then probably get to cooking some dinner. Okay, I decided to do a really easy dinner tonight. So we're gonna have coconut shrimp. These are from Trader Joe's. They're really good. You literally just lay them on the sheet and bake them for 12 minutes at 450 degrees. So I'm gonna make those. And then for our side dish, I'm melting some butter right now. And this pan's not dirty, it's just scratched. But I'm melting some butter. I'm gonna take some of the whites of a couple of the green onions and caramelize them in there for a little bit. And then I'm gonna add the rice, and instead of doing rice and water for normal rice, I'm gonna do some bouillon in my water to give the water some flavor. And then toward the end, I'm gonna add some peas, and it just kind of like livens up the rice a little bit. So that's dinner, pretty easy. So I added some of this better than bouillon to my water, and it's about a tablespoon, so I'm just going to mix that in. Then I'll bring this to a boil, and I will cover it, and I'll cook it for 20 minutes. And it'll be fluffy, flavorful, delicious rice.
Did that come with sauce?
No.
They did?
Mm-mm. We're watching Lady and the Tramp, and I want to show you guys Abby.
My favorite dog catcher. There are other dogs in this town, you know.
Abby, are those doggies? Are those doggies?
Ow! We got caught! Good day, sir. Just posting bills, no need for alarm. I already cleared this part.
Hi guys, I don't know if I ended yesterday's video, so I'm going to end it now and then pick right up and start the next day. So love you very much, thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Mwah!